Good morning, students. Welcome back to the English channel. Today we'll learn tricks on rational numbers. As you know, what are the rational numbers, children? Rational numbers. Rational numbers are the numbers in a number line. You have seen the number line. The number line would be having 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the left side it has negative -1, -2, -3, isn't it? Like this. So all these are called the integers. These are the positive integers and these are the negative integers. Now, in these positive and negative integers, if a number can be written in a ratio form, if a number can be written in a ratio form, then that is called a rational number. Written in a ratio form like 1/3, or simply if you will take 5, then you can write that as 5/1. Then this is a rational number. Or you can write 3/4, 6/9, any number. But here the numerator and denominator. Numerator should be P and the denominator is called the Q. Isn't it? And it should be in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0. That is, suppose I'll write 5. Then 5 divided by 0 is equal to 0. But can you say which number? Can you say that 0 multiplied by which number will give you 5? Can you find out this number? No. So Q is not equal to 0 because this number cannot be defined. Can't be defined. So Q should not be equal to 0. So this is rational number. This is the concept. Understood the concept? Clear with the concept? Now let's find out. Most of the time the question comes that you have to find the number between, suppose the first question usually comes, find rational number, let's take 3. Find 3 rational number between 3 and 7. Suppose we'll take the number as 3 and 7. So what you have to do? How can you solve it very easily? Shall I tell you one easy method? This is in the integer form, isn't it? 3 and 7 are in the integer form. So you have to convert it. That means it can be written as 3/1 and 7/1 because 3 and 7 are integers. 3 and 7 are integers. So you can write it in this form to make it rational numbers. Now the question is you have to find 3 rational numbers in between. So whatever rational numbers you have to find, you can just multiply that 3 numbers we have to get. So the question is asking 3 numbers, so you can multiply with 3 plus 1. Whatever number is asked, how many numbers you have to find out, just add 1 and multiply in both these numbers, that is numerator and denominator. So you got 3 into 3 plus 1 and 1 into 3 plus 1. That means 3 into 4 equal to 12 divided by 1 into 4 equal to 4. The next number also you can do like the same. 7 divided by 1. Same, 7 into the 3 plus 1, that is 4 divided by 1 into 4. You got 28/4. Now easy, you got the answer. So the rational numbers in between in between 3 and 7 are, see 12 by 4 you got. Now you can write 13 by 4, 14 by 4, 15 by 4 up to 27 by 4 you can write the rational numbers. The question is asking to get 3 rational numbers. So you got these 3 numbers or any more numbers that is asked. So 13 by 4 are, you got 13 by 4, 14 by 4, 15 by 4, etc. Isn't it easy? Very easy, isn't it? Yes, it is very easy. Now let's take another question. Suppose question number 2 is find 6 rational numbers. 6 rational numbers between let's take 8 and 9. This one you can tell. Tell me what to do now. See children, what we can do, as the number is 8 and 9 and we have to find 6 numbers. So what I have to multiply? 8 multiplied by 6 plus 1. Because you have to get 6 rational numbers, you can multiply with 8 into 7. Divided by same 1 into 7. We got 56 by 7. Similarly 9 into 7 divided by 1 into 7. So we got how many numbers? 63 divided by 7. So in between, the question is asking to get 6 rational numbers. So it is 57 by 7, 58 by 7, 59 by 7, 60 by 7, 61 by 7, 62 by 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we got the 4 rational numbers. Very easy. Isn't it children? Very easy. Isn't it children? Very easy. So what we did, you have to P, as you know, if a number is in the integer form, you have to write the by 1. So where Q is not equal to 0. So 3 means if you have to get 3 rational numbers, you have to just multiply with the next number. So 3 into 4. Got the numbers? Similarly, if it is 8 and 9, same. You can do 6 numbers you have to find. You have to multiply with the next number, that is 7. 8, 7, 56. Now we got, now let me take another example for your easy understanding. Let's take another example. Suppose sometimes question comes, find, question number 3. The question comes like find rational numbers between fractions. Suppose we'll take 2 by 3 and 6 by 5. So we have to get how many rational numbers. Suppose you wanted to take 3 and 5, 2 and 3. Suppose let's take find 4 rational numbers. The question is find 4 rational numbers. So what you have to do here, see the denominator is 3 and 5. If the denominator is different, what you should do is different, then what you should do, if denominator is different, then you have to take the LCM. You have to take the LCM. So the LCM of 3 and 5, is, and 5 is equal to 15. So to make the denominator same, you can write 2 by 3 as 2 by 3 and here it is 6 by 5. So 2 by 3, how to make it 15 multiplied by 5, isn't it? So 2 multiplied, you have to multiply with 5 because you have to make the denominator same as 15. Here with how much you have to multiply? LCM is 15, so 5 into 3. Here so the upper one, that is the numerator, should also be multiplied with 3. 2 into 5, 10 by 15. 6 into 3, 18 by 15. So already the answers we got. Answer, find 4 rational numbers. So you can write the rational numbers as 11 by 15, 12 by 15, 13 by 15, 14 by 15, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rational numbers. We got the answer. Isn't it easy? Easy, children? Yes, very easy. Now let's take another example. Suppose we have to take the numbers. Let's take 5 rational numbers. 5 rational numbers. Find 5 rational numbers between let's take another fraction, 7 by 2 and let's take 3 by 2. Here see, the denominator is same, isn't it? Is same. So if it is same, then we don't have to do anything. We just have to multiply with the next number, isn't it? So you have to take 7 by 2. So here we have to get 5 rational numbers. So just multiply 7 with 6 and 2 with 6. Similarly 3 by 2. 3 into 6 divided by 2 into 6. So how much you got? 7 6 are 42 by 12. Here you got 18 by 12. So find 5 numbers. You can write the answer. The 43 by 12, 44 by 12, 45 by 12, 46 by 12, etc. 47 by 12. You got the answer. This is the answer. Isn't it easy? Easy, children? Now let's take another example to learn it. Suppose you have to find 3 rational numbers between let's take any negative number. So between -2 by 4 and 3 by or 5 by 4. Same, denominator is same. So what you have to do? We have to find 3 rational numbers. Denominator is same. So you just have to multiply -2 by 4 into 3 plus 1. Isn't it? The next number divided by same. This is also 4. So it will become -2 into 4 equal to -8 by 16. And here 5 by 4. Same you have to multiply with 4. So you will get 20 divided by 16. So the answer is, you already got -8 by 16. That is -7 by 16. -6 by 16. -5 by 16. -4 by 16. Like this. -2, -1, -1 or 1 by 16, 2 by 16 up to 19 by 16 you can write. Isn't it? Easy? Easy? Let's take another example. Suppose we have to write, find 6 rational numbers between 2 different numbers we'll take. Okay. Find 6 rational numbers between, suppose we'll take the number as 3 by 5 and 7 by 9. So here what you have to do, the denominator is different. Then you have to find the LCM. The LCM will be, how to find the LCM? 5 and 9. 5 and 9. That is, you will get 5 9s are 45. LCM is equal to 45. Now you have to make the denominator same. So 3 by 5 into dash equal to 45. So here what you can say? 9. So here also it will be multiplied by 9. So it will become 27 by 45. Next number is 7 by 9. So 7 by 9 multiplied by dash equal to 45. Sorry, multiplied by dash equal to 45. Yes, multiplied by 5. So here also 5. You got 35 by 45. Now between 27 by 45 and 35 by 45, it is easy to find out. So 28 by 45, 29 by 45, 30 by 45, 31 by 45, 32 by 45. You can increase the number up to The number is 35. So 34 by 45. Got the numbers? Is it easy, children? Hope you understand. Hope you understand all these rational tricks. Thank you.